up, ladies and gentlemen? Wolfgang Miles back in the kitchen doing another episode of Cooking with Chaos. But this time it is Christmas Day, and we are going to do a smoked Christmas turkey. Stay tuned, it's going to be a good one. Alright, first things first, the smoking a turkey, man. We got to get our firebox going. We're going to use this chimney. What we're going to be using is, we're going to start off with Kingsford original charcoal. We're going to put that in the chimney. Then we're going to put down our apple right down on the firebox. And we're going to get the coals burning real good with the Kingsford first in the chimney. And then we're going to pour on top of the apple the existing coals. And then we're going to put a little apple wood chips in there, so to get that smoke flavor. So stay tuned, we got a big cook ahead of us. Alright, like I said before, we got your apple in the firebox already. We got our Kingsford regular charcoal in the chimney. And what I'm going to use to light these is called tumbleweeds. It's a starter. It burns much cleaner than using any kind of fuel, so your fire is a little bit cleaner, and we don't want to mess with that smoke. So I'm gonna light this sucker up and get it going, and when that gets nice and hot, we're gonna put it back in there in the firebox. We got our chimney going, and those coals get nice and hot. We're gonna dump them down into that apple charcoal briquettes. Alright, first things first, we're going to buckle up for safety. Big birds and such, always want to wear some rubber gloves to protect yourself and others. Alright, when I come back, I'm going to show you what ingredients we're going to be using, and we'll show you this 15-pound turkey. Stay tuned. Alright, we got our utensils ready, we got our turkey. It's a Butterball 15-pounder. We're going to put a little rub on it. I'm going to inject this turkey with some of these injectables. You can get them at Walmart or Academy. And we're going to put all this stuff in a bowl. We're going to use a little bit of chicken broth, and we're going to season it with some more Tony stuff and some chicken rub and a little bit of... Alright, we're back, and we got our concoction ready to inject this. What? Oh my goodness, that's really good. So we're just gonna fill this injector up and start it. Oh, dang it. Try it again. Fill this injector up. About right there. Yeah. We're gonna get in there. Oh, look at that. Look at that. See, it's plumping up. Beautiful. Beautiful. On both sides there. Oh yeah, look at that. That's normal. That's beautiful. Okay. Look at the back side here. Oh yeah. That is a nice, juicy plump turkey there, buddy boys. Buddy boys. That side. See how your turkey's plumping? Oh man. Roll down a little bit. Keep it rolling. Get into that thigh.
I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Nice and good. Look at that. It's just going right in it.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
So gross looking.
Not gross, Stephanie. It's nature.
Yeah.
Right there. Alright. Nice and plump. Get in there. We're going to do 2 more spots. Alright, we got our turkey nice and injected. She's nice and fat now. Now, take a little chicken rub. Season stuff. You want to get in pretty good. All there. All.
Many times, many ways. Merry Christmas.
That's down. Get in that meat too. Get in there and rub it. Season the inside for that skin. All right, we got our apples chopped up and our onion, and we're gonna shove that in the cavity. And this adds flavor as well as keep the bird moist. Just need half onion in there. Okay, and now we're gonna continue seasoning this, and then get our fire box nice and hot and up to temperature, and we'll be ready to roll. Okay, we're back. Our chimney is nice and good. Just gonna fold right in the fire box. By the way, we got our fire box nice and going. Rolling smoke, baby. Rolling smoke. All right, we got our bird in, and we got the thermometer in her. And when she reaches at about 165 in that breast, we'll be ready. So, only time will tell. See right here, our turkey is at 43 degrees. We gotta get her up to 165. And I would suggest anyone getting one of these wireless meat thermometers. They work great. Alright, see how we got a good, clean, all the smoke going? That's what you want. You don't want all that nasty white smoke. You want a good blue smoke going from your smoker. Fire management is the key to smoking any kind of meat. Getting that firebox right. And this is a long cook. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? Man, this bird has been on here for 3 hours now. Cooking. Good deal. Yeah. Oh my goodness, look at that. Woo-wee. Boys and girls. Low and slow, baby. This is what we're going to do. Give it a little turn. And we're going to close her back down. And we are going to cook for an additional 3.5 hours. See how it goes. About 2 hours from now, about an hour and a half, 2 hours from now, I'm going to actually cover the breast with oil. So it doesn't get any more darker than what it is. We've got a good dark mark on it, and we want to continue with that, but we don't want it to get any darker than what it is. Alright, stay tuned. I went ahead and changed my mind, and I'm going to go ahead and cover this bad boy now. You just want a little, just a tint over the breast with oil. Just so it doesn't get any darker than what it is, because it's a beautiful color. That's a beautiful show bird right there. I think it's really content for this damn thing. So, 3 more hours to cook, and this baby is gonna come off the grill, and we're gonna have great Christmas turkey. Oh man, Christmas Day turkey. It's been 6 hours. Oh, it's dark outside. Look at this. Smoked turkey at its finest. Look at all the juices. Wow. Man, oh man. Look at that. I mean, just look at it. That is perfection. Alright, we got this turkey wide open, man. We're gonna pull all the innards out real quick, and I'm gonna show you how to carve a Christmas turkey the right way. Alright? Stay tuned. Alright, back. I'm gonna show you how to carve the turkey the best way I've ever known how to. I learned this from Gordon Ramsay back in Nam. You're gonna take your quarter rounds, take them off real quick. Bam! Just like that, juicy, nice and juicy. Pull the bird around like that, and there's a center right here. The bone that goes all the way down. Gonna go down like this. That's the breast. Gonna go down like with it like that. And then do the other side just the same. And I think I got a little bit of other side there. To get that breast off. Okay? And then there you have it. Done? I got some of these cut already, man. You gotta see how juicy this freaking turkey has turned out. Oh my goodness, man. Just carved right into it. There's so much juice in this thing. Wow. We gotta take a little. Oh my. Wow. Whoa. Do yourself a favor. Smoke yourself a turkey on Christmas. Unbelievable. Thanks for watching.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop.
Bell, 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 jingle bell, bell, bell.